Hi, I'm Mike Fitzgerald with Bobcat Company. Let's take a closer look at the Bobcat MT100 mini track loader. Bobcat mini track loaders replace manual labor and equipment like wheelbarrows in tight areas where larger equipment doesn't fit. Powered by a Tier 4 diesel engine and efficient hydraulic system, the MT100 has a 1,000-pound rated operating capacity to help you accomplish big tasks in small spaces. Not only do mini track loaders focus on performance, but comfort is also built into the design of these machines. The integrated ride-on platform on the MT100 positions the operator above the surface, which provides a wider view to the sides, as well as to attachments and to the bucket cutting edge. The ISO joystick controls are ergonomically designed for comfortable operation and low operator fatigue. This machine also has a cup holder and a handy storage compartment to add convenience to your day. When it comes to serviceability, the MT100 is set up to provide easy access to key maintenance areas. Lift the hood to quickly check coolant, oil, and hydraulic fluid levels and fill the fuel tank. Maintenance is simple, and you'll get back to work faster. Mini track loaders are versatile machines used for trenching, digging, carrying materials, demolition, snow removal, sweeping, and stump grinding by utilizing just a few of the many genuine Bobcat attachments available from your local Bobcat dealer. Bobcat mini track loaders might be small in stature, but they deliver big-time performance on the job.